Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2021 Can-Am SPYDER F3 Limited SE6 with 25 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control and a multifunction 2-speaker audio system. The SPYDER is a dynamic vehicle that gives riders the thrill of motorcycling on the stability of 3 wheels. Powered by a 1300cc 3-cylinder engine, the SPYDER puts 115 horsepower and 96 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 998 pounds and has a 26.6-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.